Okay, with this demo, I could be talking about how to make grids. With this demo, I could be showing you how to make two different kinds of grids. The first grid I'm going to show you how to make is the column grid. The second one is the marker grid. So let's dive right into making grids. So to make a new document, I'll go to the InDesign menu at the top. I'll go to new document. Okay, I just wanted to point out again that you also can use the key commands to access this new document window. To know what the key command is, you go to the file, new document, and right over here you will see that the command and enter button are the keys that you need to press at the same time to make a new document window open. So with these documents that we could be making, with this document that we could be making, we are going to make it a print document. Therefore, we need to go into the print presets. So we go to print, press on the print button here, and we know that this is highlighted because it's turned to white and there's a white line underneath it. And what we want is that we want the new size break document preset. Therefore, everything that we want on the right hand side of this one to be the way it is. The only difference is that we want to make sure that the facing pieces is turned off. And then at the bottom of this, we want our margins from right now to be set to 0. So we made that all of them 0. The top margin, the bottom margin, the left margin, and the right margin, we want them to be at 0. And now that we have done that, it's time to make a new document. We'll press create, and now we see a white page before us. And it's very easy to just dive in into making your design on this white page. But there's more work to be done. The next step of the process is to make a grid, and we can make a grid on the master pages of these documents. To access the master pages, we can go to the page panel, and if it's not open, you go to where it says pages and you double click on it and it will open. Once it's open, at the very top of the panel, you will see a master. You want to click on that, and because we know that it is highlighted in blue, that this has now become onto the master page. It's no longer on page 1. It is on the master page. And then I will explain a little bit why master pages are so important. But for right now, we want to make a column grid on the A master page. To do so, we will access the InDesign main menu. We'll click on Layout. We drag our cursor down to the margins and column button here. We'll click on that, and then the margins and column winner will appear. And now we need to make the margins. Now, discover this that I went into know about. See this icon right here? It's a egg shape and has a line through it. If we click on that, that means that it is all of these numbers are locked together. That means that if you change one of them, they all will change to the same number. We don't want to do that. We want there to be different. Okay? We want the bottom margin to be set as 6. Okay? And the reason why we want to do that is that we want our document and all of the type that will appear inside of our document to be light. We don't want it to be heavy. We want it to be light and to create lightness to our document. We want more white space at the bottom. Okay, so again, the margins, the top is 3, the bottom is 6, the left side is 3, the right side is 3. Now that it has been set, now it's time to make our columns. There's number of ways that you can put in the number of columns that you want. You can highlight one there, and then you can key in the number that you want, or you can just press on these two different buttons. You push on the arrow that's going up, then the number of columns will increase. If you push down on the down button, then the number of columns will decrease. And that's how you make a column grid. Okay? And I forgot to tell you that there is one other thing that I want to mention. That is that that as we were working here, that we were able to see everything that we did on this page, and it's all because we had the preview button turned on. If we turn that off, then the all these numbers won't be applied until we press OK. But because this is the preview, and then we can see what the master page will look like once we press OK. So we can press OK down. And now I want to show you how to make a master grid. And I'm going to do that on different master pages. But you may be asking, how come you can make that master grid on a different master page because you don't see one? Well, we're going to make a new one. We're going to make the B master page. To do that, we're going to go to the page panel. We're going to go to the options, drop down menu. We're going to scroll down where this new master. We'll click on that. The prefix is going to be B. Name is going to be master. Page size is going to be null, just like what is on the A master. That means the size here is going to be what we want. And then we're going to press OK. Okay, so to make a master grid, the first step is the same, but the second part is not. So the first part is that you go back to layout, you go to margins, and just like what we did with the A is that we're going to make the top three, make the bottom six. Then we're gonna make the left side three, three, and then we're also gonna make the white margin 3 as well. Now, we're not going to add any columns to this right now. We're going to do that in a different way. So everything appears to be the way we want it. Okay, so we can see that the bottom margin is bigger than the top, and the top margin is the same width as it is on the left and the right side of this page. We're going to push OK. So that is what is the same. What is different on how to make a master grid is they're going to go to layout, and then we're going to go to create guides. Okay, we are going to make a 10 row and column master grid. Okay, so we're going to put 10 in here. Press tab, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make the gutter these a little bit more smaller. I'm going to make these half of the size. So it's going to be now it's a 1 pega. I'm gonna make it to a half of a pega. To do that, I go to Field P5, just like that. And then on the column grid, on the column, the number is going to be 10. And then the gutter is going to be Field P5, just like that. And you can see that the master grid has been applied to this page as we described with the numbers that we have here. The only thing that you have to remember when you make this grid, this kind of grid, is that the axis needs to be fit to guys to the margins. So if I was to press pages, you can see that the column, columns and rows, they align to the outside of the page, whereas the columns and they are confined to the margins. Okay, and then we can push the button OK, and we have it. We have the A master and the B master. Now it's time to make our pages. Okay, we already have page 1. Now it's time to make 3 more pages. To do that, we're going to go back to the page panel, to the drop down options, and then we go to insert pages. We got to add 3 more pages to our document. Press OK. Now, you might not already know this, but when we begin a document, any new document, the A master page is applied to all of the pages. But there is a way to apply the B master page to some of these documents, to some of these pages. So you want to apply the B master page to page 2 and 4. Okay, so to do that, you would drag, and the reason why you can know that it's dragging is that one that is being highlighted, the B muscle is being highlighted, and as you drag, you see a hand gripping a piece of paper, and it's going right directly to, you can drag it right directly onto that number 2 page. And when you do that, you can see that the another B term appears on page 2, whereas on page 1 it has the A muscle, right? And now that we have click on this, we can see that on page 2 that the margin grid is being applied to this page. So we want to add that the B muscle to to the page 4. To do that, we'll click on the B master page, we'll drag it to page 4, just like that. So why is that so important? That is important because when you make a document, it means that not every page needs to have the same grid. That you can create multiple grids on multiple pages in the same InDesign document. As always, you can ask me questions during class time. You can also speak to me outside of class, in my office or by email. And look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.